let you go, go, go. Won't let you go, go, go.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in today's video I'll be showing you a wig I received from Ayiyi or Ayiyi hair. And in the box I received this blue bandana inspired headband and some lashes. Y'all, these lashes are so pretty. I love the style and the flare of them. As you can see, they are bomb. Like, just look at them. They're so gorgeous, so I'm super excited to use those. They also gave me a little pink pouch that you could use for anything you want, but they included some goodies in it. So the first thing that I saw in the pouch was this satin scarf that you could use for laying your edges. They also gave me a edge brush with the comb on the end for really cute little swoops and swirls. They also gave me this gray/silver clip that you can use to decorate your hair. And then I got this pack of 2 wig caps in this deep brown color. So yeah, this is how the wig came to me in the box. And the wig that I received is the 22-inch body wave headband wig. This wig is so pretty, y'all, and you'll see soon that the curls in this wig are super defined and bouncy, and they definitely hold a curl. I ended up curling this wig with a curling iron, as you'll see later in the video. So if you're looking to find a really cute body wave headband wig, definitely check out the link in my description. So yeah. The cap construction on this wig is pretty standard for headband wigs. There's the Velcro attachment on the headband portion, and inside the wig there are 4 combs, one in the middle, one on each side, and one in the back towards the nape of your neck. However, in this wig there are no adjustable straps. After I adjust the wig to my head, I insert the comb in the back. I push back my wig cap so that I can insert the combs on each side of the wig, and then I tie up the hair so that I can attach the Velcro straps in the back of the wig. And that basically concludes the easiest wig install that literally everyone and anyone could achieve. So if you're interested in a headband wig, what are you waiting for? They're super easy to throw on and go. And they're the perfect protective style for looking good with minimal effort involved. As I was raking my fingers through the hair, I did get some strands. So this wig does shed, but I think it sheds moderately, just because it doesn't shed like only 1 or 2 strands. It definitely sheds more than that, but it doesn't shed too much. So that's why I think that the amount of shedding is moderate. This hair feels really soft to the touch, and here's what the natural texture looks like. It's a really bouncy body wave texture that's really nice quality. To make the texture on this hair really pop, I added some bombshell curls for the holidays, and this is how they came out. I really love how they look. As you can see, the hair has a lot of luster and bounce to it, so I can honestly say that this hair holds a really nice curl. As you can see, as soon as I started raking my fingers through the curls, the hair instantly became so voluminous and gorgeous. I love how it turned out, and believe it or not, this is my first time ever curling hair, so that's why I didn't record the curling portion, because I didn't really know what I was doing at first. But if you think it turned out really well or well enough to do a tutorial, let me know in the comments. And if you like how this look turned out, like this video, because I'm living for how the hair looks. And that concludes how I achieved this hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to give a big thanks to Ayiyi Hair for sending me this wig. I love it. I hope I didn't butcher the name too bad. But if you're interested, make sure to check the description. And if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.